What's good, my people? We are back again with another crazy video, and today we're going to be discussing GBP USD. Last week we did terrible, I must say. Last week was not really good at all. You get, like, it was not good at all. Yeah. After the top down analysis of last week, it was the entry was the problem. Yeah, but I think we finally got entry, but I was unable to take the trade due to bad stop loss, and the trade went to my directions, which was about is it 1:4, 1:5? I think so. Well, so today on the screen we'll be starting another top down analysis, of which we're going to be starting from the monthly time frame. So let's just get down to my screen and let's start working on this as fast as possible. All right, this is GBP USD and this is the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, we are still aggressively bullish, which you all know, which is very easy. We are still very bullish. All right, so let's go down to the daily time frame real quick. So on the daily time frame, let's see what we have. On the daily time frame, we have an impulsive move and a correctional move. We have an impulsive move and a correctional move. So this is an impulsive move. This is a correctional move. This is an impulsive move. We're currently having a correctional move on the daily time frame. Beautiful. So since we are having a correctional move, our expectation is an impulsive move for us to keep buying. But the problem we are going to be experiencing this week is structure for our stop loss. All right. Structure for our stop loss. All right. So inside last week, within Tuesday, Wednesday, I noticed that the market is actually giving us higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. I feel that is a very good structure for those who are capitalizing on it here. But I noticed that I basically take this trade in the 1 hour time frame, of which in the 1 hour time frame, the structure is not as clear as it is. But those that traded in the 4 hours time frame, they have a very good week, which was last week. But I did not really have a very good week. You get. So basically before the week runs out, I discovered that and I cannot switch from 1 hour and execute my trade in the 4 hours, which is very terrible. So currently in this week, we have already gotten for last week, we have impulsive, correctional, and impulsive. So currently, we are having a correctional down to this stage. The challenge we are going to be facing this week is the structure of which we are going to continue the upward movement from. That is the challenge we are going to be having. The structure, mind you, overall target still remain 1.4 thousand. That's this zone here, 1.4 thousand. This is the overall structure. If all things be equal, all right, before any bearish move to GBP USD, this is what we are targeting. All right. So basically, we've gotten an impulsive move and we're having a correctional move. So basically, we have the opportunity to still hit 1.36 thousand this week and above. 1.36 thousand and above. So let's get down to the 1 hour time frame, which is really quick. So in the 1 hour time frame, this was the previous low. Let's take this out. This was the previous low that made this market buy to this zone. All right. But now this zone has been taken out. Those that are trading the lower time frame, like the 30 minutes, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and the 5 minutes, in their own chart currently, they are already in the bearish trend. But we all know overall trend still supersedes the current market direction. So basically, the challenge we'll be having is two things. If there's an opportunity for us to buy GBP USD, we are going to buy, but we are having two shots for this week. We might take a buy around this zone and experience a loss around this zone and experience a loss. Reason being that this zone here, this is only the proper structure. This is imbalance. This is imbalance. So there's a probability that you might buy and the market might come back here and take out this zone before maybe Wednesday or Thursday, the market starts going to your proper directions. There's a high probability for the market to do that. So in this week, you have to just prepare two bullets for this week. By bullet, I mean two proper entries for this week. If you do the first trial, it doesn't work, you go for the second trial. That is all we're going to be working on in this new week. All right. So since the market has already taken down this zone, which is a very good thing. Simply means now we have this zone and this zone to take out. All right. So hopefully, when we get an opportunity to buy, we just have to look for. We have to just prepare our mind to know that we'll be taking two trades for this week. So I think that is all. This week we still look for opportunity to buy. Those that are looking for opportunities to sell, beautiful. You just have to wait for the market to break below this zone, and this is your next level target. This will be your next level target. But as for me, I'm still looking for opportunity to buy. But I still see an opportunity for the market to take out this zone, this current zone we are, and head back to this zone before buying. It's very possible. So all things being equal, we still look for opportunity to buy this week. And if there's no opportunity to buy for this week, we just have to call it a week. So now let me take you through the trades we took last week, which were not that good. We took crazy losses. All right. So this is just actually how it basically is. You can win today, you can lose tomorrow. All right. See, so since after our previous withdrawal, we've been taking losses. All right. So this was the first loss we took, which was on the 28th of May, which is 1%. Now, this is another loss we took on the 3rd of June, which was another 1%, which is beautiful. So I also look for opportunity in USD card. All right, USD card, so we can bounce back for the week. But unfortunately, this happened. And mind the USD card is currently in a bearish momentum. So we still follow the trend and we took a loss, which is like a normal thing, yeah. So basically, last week we executed just two trades, which is this USD card and this GBP USD entry. But this was like 3 weeks ago or 2 weeks ago. So basically, on our accounts at the moment, we are down 3%. All right. So this is just how it is. Your risk management should be what will save you when this drawdown comes. And once you start winning, ensure you maximize your win because the winning streaks are not really long. You get it's not as long as your losing streak. Losing streak can keep going on for like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, as the case may be. But on your winning streak, it might just be like 1 week or 2 weeks. You're heading back to losing streak. So when the market start moving in your direction, ensure you are doing everything possible to actually maximize it because losses comes very fast and wins. All right. So basically, that's just it. This is on the 1 hour time frame. I don't execute on the 15 minutes or the 30 minutes. The OGs already know. So those that are new to the channel, kindly like, subscribe, and share this video to others. And kindly drop in the comment section what you've learned and any suggestions you're having are highly appreciated. So basically, that's just all for it. We are expecting opportunity to buy from this zone, or the market will keep going down to the following week where we see get the proper opportunity to take a buy. So guys, that is all for this. And if you enjoy this kind of content, kindly let me know in the comment sections. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. So have a good one. Enjoy your week. Stay blessed.